Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about Hexagon Head Flange Bolt. So this is the component I am going to create. So let's start now. Select the front plane, draw one corner rectangle, draw one center line vertically, height is 32, diameter is 12. So here we have to apply chamfer of 1 mm. Select this corner and say OK. See here. Now I am going to draw one vertical line and inclined line. So the distance between these two lines is 1 mm. Angle is 135 and this height is 1 mm. So I am going to trim this with power tool. See here. Now I am going to create one revolve feature. This is how. Now I am going to create one flange. Select this face, go to sketch, draw one circle, so this is 24. Create an extruded boss, height is 1 mm and say OK. See here. So now I am going to create one more boss. Select this face, go to sketch, convert entity, feature, boss height is 11 and we have to create the draft angle of 75 degrees and say OK. See here. Now I am going to create this hexagon. So select the bottom face, go to sketch, draw one hexagon. See here in polygon we have to mention 6 sides. Make it vertical. And this is 16. Go to feature, select extruded boss and flip the direction, and this height is 10 mm and say OK. See here. Now I am going to add fillet. So select fillet command and fillet is 2 mm and select all the 6 sides, 6 edges. See. and say OK. Now select right side plane. See, it should connect these corners, sharp corners. So you have to select the right plane and go to sketch. Here draw one inclined line and one construction line joining this point and the center point. Select these two lines, make it perpendicular. This is 45. And this is 1. So let's close the loop. And go to feature, revolve cut. Select this top face, go to sketch, select this circle, offset entity, reverse direction and 1 mm, and go to features, select extruded cut and 1 mm depth. See here. Now apply the fillet. Of 1 mm. So take it 0.5. See here. Now I am going to create thread feature. Select this face, select the plane and offset of 1 mm. See here. Now select this plane, go to sketch and select this edge, convert entity and say OK. Now go to features, select helix curve and select this circle. So pitch is 1.2 and revolution 34, clockwise and constant pitch. Say OK. See here. Now select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one triangle with polygon option. So we have to modify this to 3. So this is vertical. This is 2 mm. Select this point and helix curve. So we have to coincide. So we can select either of the options. Now I am going to apply swept cut. I'm going to select this and this helix curve. And say OK. So I am going to hide this helix curve for better visibility. See here, the threaded features have been created now. So this is the final component. So this is how we create this kind of standard parts. Thanks for watching.